Dear participants, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here with us today. I am pleased to be able to welcome you all on behalf of Instituto Pedro Nunes, in short IPN, one of the Coimbra Sustainability Summit organizers. I would like to welcome you to this 2 weeks adventure that will be the cycle of webinars of the summit. Our Automation and Systems Lab is the coordinator of DIATOMIC Digital Innovation Hub for Health, under the project that is supporting the summit. DIATOMIC aims to establish a sustainable ecosystem to facilitate microelectronics and smart system integration-based innovation in health that is under-digitized and of prime importance for society and the economy. IPN is one of the references of innovation in Coimbra, the center of Portugal, and has been one of the promoters of this big initiative and planning it since the end of last year. We were prepared to welcome you all in our premise in Coimbra. Unfortunately, we can't do that. All of us had to make an adjustment in our lives in the last couple of months. Now is the time to plan how we will develop and intercept the 4 key enabled technologies to reach the Sustainable Development Goals from the United Nations and the Green Deal. Let's take the opportunities that will be generated during the next 2 weeks and build an innovative and better future together. Hope to see you soon in Coimbra at IPA. Thank you.
With this cycle of webinars that we are promoting in Coimbra and from Coimbra to the world, we are going to focus in 4 SDGs: Agri-food, health and well-being, industry, sustainable cities and communities. Our objective by addressing these goals together with the main question, that is, how can innovation, digital innovation, help us to proceed and to achieve these SDGs in particular? What are the growth opportunities that these 4 areas of digitalization can bring us? And these areas are artificial intelligence, blockchain, Internet of Things, and cyber security. What can we expect from these technologies? How can they help us to foster knowledge, to promote solutions, to achieve these SDGs? This is the big challenge, and we believe that with the number of participants and the number of speakers and the quality and excellence of the speakers that we are going to have all along the sessions, we will manage to bring inspirational ideas, to foster knowledge, and to see how far partnerships can go, combining the knowledge that we already have with the knowledge that we have to bring up in order to make this Agenda 2030 successful. These are the challenges. Come with us.
Dear online participants, we are glad to welcome you to our virtual Coimbra Sustainability Summit, CSS. We are facing challenging times, but during such times most of the next big things have been born. Today you have the pleasure having access to a great support infrastructure in place, which are called Digital Innovation Hubs, and they are supporting you on your way to grow. DIATOMIC is one of those Digital Innovation Hubs, where DIATOMIC stands for Digital Innovation Hubs Boosting European Microelectronics Industry, and this project is funded by the European Commission. DIATOMIC, as part of the EU Smart Everything Everywhere initiative, or short SAE initiative, brings together 9 partners: INTRASOFT, IPN, IPA, BIOS, Synalexis, Innocent, FAST and F6S. In DIATOMIC we created a one-stop shop platform, an online marketplace for innovation in microelectronics and smart system integration. It is important to move research to successful commercialization and for startups to cross the value of death. This is where Digital Innovation Hubs place their services. During the 2 weeks of the CES event, we will have the opportunity to discuss in 4 plenary sessions, 2 per week, and 2 sets of sectorial sessions on important topics that affect both the present but also the future. As a co-chair of the CES and as coordinator of DIATOMIC, I wish all of you a pleasant discussion and 2 weeks full of knowledge, idea exchange and new business opportunities. All the best.
The Coimbra Sustainability Summit, CSS, is an opportunity to strengthen partnerships in order to address sustainability goals and the Green Deal. CSS will provide a glimpse on some of the needs for the next 5 to 10 years and understand if and how technology, specifically Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, blockchain and cybersecurity can be used to tackle those needs. A diverse set of stakeholders will assure that we are addressing relevant issues to the society with the most appropriate set of technology tools, making sure that whatever solutions we create are relevant, accepted and used. We would like to thank Professor Helena Freitas, which enthusiastically accepted to be the chair of the event, all the speakers and entities involved in the early stages of planning. Due to the pandemic, the summit has become virtual. Nevertheless, several stakeholders of the Coimbra innovation ecosystem were involved, in particularly Instituto Pedro, Nunes, which had made available the campus to host the event. Partnerships were in the inception of the Coimbra Sustainability Summit. The partners of 4 European projects, DIATOMIC, Block.IS, MSEC and Enrich USA, recognize the value of extending their partnerships, look to the future and find new collaborative domains and collaboration opportunities. We invite you to join our networks and find new collaboration opportunities. Reach out to any of the participants, use social media and the feedback tools. We are sure that after these 2 weeks, we will have spotted at least some new potential partners.